Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku hourly analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, December the 2nd, 2010. Well, a very bullish start to the day again today, and we can see in this first hour of trading that we had the largest candle of the trading day, and that's the way the market's been trading for the last 3 days. If we look here, this was the first hour of trading, a very large bullish candle. And on the previous day, a very large bullish candle. Today is no different. Now, the size of the body of the candle is smaller than the previous two first hours of trading. But the market on these 3 consecutive days has always been getting off to a good start, and especially the previous day and today, and building momentum over the last the remaining hours of the day. Now, very bullish green-bodied candle with the buyers closing in control and showing good, strong commitment. And then in the second hour of trading, the market going on with that, taking out the resistance that we highlighted previously at 12.16 with a bullish candle. That set the market up to continue trending up and trade up to around roughly about 12.21, 12.20 or so. We did have some indecisive type candles in the final few hours of trading, some dojis and some spinning tops, but then in the final hour the buyers did close in control of the market. So in all of the each hour of trading today, the trend had not changed to the downside. Every hour was an uptrending candle making a higher high or continuing a series of higher highs and higher lows. We did have one inside day in bar chart terms on the third last hour of trading and the last hour of trading. But the bulls did close in control in that final hour. Now we are trading up above the cloud, so the market has an overall positive bias in this hourly time frame, and also trading above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which means that the market's bullish in the medium term and fast term time frames. Now the market is trading a long way up above the cloud, so it is looking a little bit overextended. I wouldn't be surprised to see the market come off slightly. Also trading a fair way up above the Kijun-sen. So when markets get overextended and they start to trade too far away from either of these indicators, they tend to come back towards them and mean revert. And that's how markets trade. They move away from equilibrium, and equilibrium in different time frames is represented by each of these Ichimoku indicators. And then when that becomes too stretched, they move back towards equilibrium, which, as I've said, is denoted by the Ichimoku indicators. Just looking at the Tenkan-sen, that's starting to point a little bit flat, and it's reflecting a small loss of momentum that the market had in the last few hours of trading, so that could be significant for the market. Now, if the market does come off, then there is potential support at the previous resistance area from a while ago at around 12.16. So that is an area that we do need to watch if the market does start selling down. We also expect to find support down at the Tenkan-sen, which is roughly about 12.13, and then down to the Kijun-sen, which is around 11.98. We also have potential support down around this level, around 12.04, 12.05, where we saw good support on these 4 candles. We can see the shadows on the bottom of these candles, and that's roughly the area where the market opened today. To the upside, we don't have any solid resistance until the market trades a fair bit higher, and there isn't any that we can see easily without panning out. And if we pan out, then we have resistance up around here, around 12.27 or just above. And we can see here previously that we had this double top, very strong trending action. The first peak, the intervening trough, and the second peak with the double top there. So that will be fairly strong resistance for this market if it does continue trading up. Now, because of that, we do need to watch the highs of the current candle for the opening session, and certainly the high of the previous candle. If that's taken out in a bullish manner, as we've seen in the 3 previous trading sessions, then there is a good chance that we will be testing that area up around 12.27. If the market does come off, then we have these support areas that we mentioned down below, but certainly watch the low of the current candle for any potential lower high and lower low.